Hey guys, I'm showing you this Aquafit 32 ounce water bottle with a time marker. We received this as a sample to test and try, so let's open it and show how is this quality is. So the first impression is a nice box, premium packing and a nice water bottle. So this is a 2-in-1 straw and the Chug lid with a big water bottle and a straw. It's a BPA free and the gym water bottle with handle. You can see the grip is really nice, like it's fitting very nicely in the hand. And as I mentioned, it's a lock to open and it's a dual thing. So one is like directly a sip or the straw. So there's a two-in-one water sip thing. And while you open, so it's a straw in here. This is a 32 ounce bottle, so you can put ample water for your trip or for anything, and the size is really good to have in the hand. So a nice water bottle.